that hope taking root in my heart, and I'm sure it is true for many, many of you. Earlier this year, more than 18,000 students across the country participated in the board's examination. Only the highest achievers made it to this list, to the high achievers list. I'm delighted to have you with us, Mary. I want to recognize our CEO, Dr. Naveed Yusuf, of the examination board, and staff. It's an event that all of us look forward to. So it's great. It's a pleasure to be able to celebrate this day with all of you. So the Chancellor of the Aga University, His Highness the Aga Khan, has called hope probably the most
or examination board. Our mission is to inspire and nurture critical thinking, creativity, diversity, ikra, impact, quality, relevance, and access. We are dedicated to strengthening Pakistan's education system through partnerships with schools and communities. Incredible support of parents, principals, and teachers, many of whom are present here today. Your dedication is possible. Thank you for your partnership and trust in AKUEB's vision. And to our high achievers, the majority of whom yet again are girls, motivates you further. Today, you will all shine together for the bright future that awaits you and the country, Pakistan. Perseverance and hope. We are honored to have you here, and I look forward to celebrating with each one of you today. Shukriya and welcome.
And first position goes to Sabika from Nusrat Jahan Academy, Inter College, Chanabnagar. Her principal will receive award behalf of her. She also secured provincial overall position and subject-wise distinction in computer science and mathematics. We will pose for a group photograph. Thank you, Dr. Anjum Halai.
May I now request Dr. Naveed to kindly present a token of appreciation to Dr. Anjum, please, before you leave the stage. Thank you, Dr. Anjum. Dr. Naveed, may I please request you to continue being on stage. Now I invite...
These are the students who did the recitation and translation. Now I request to the students from the...
She has a subject-wise distinction in physics. The second position we have Syed Shabir Hussain Naqvi from Sakir Public School, Karachi. He has a subject-wise distinction in chemistry. The first position goes to Isha Mustafa, the Frobel School, Karachi. She has also achieved the Group 5 second position, as you are aware, and won subject-wise distinction. May I request all the parents to please join in on the applause. I know it's a long list of award winners, but please continue appreciating. May I request everyone to please pose for a group picture. Thank you so much, students. May I request Dr. Naveed and Dr. Sulaiman to please remain on stage. Moving towards SS. For the third position, again which has been shared by Atiyatul Aisha from Mariam Siddiqa Girls Higher Secondary School, Chanabakar. The principal will receive the award on her behalf. She also has a subject-wise distinction in chemistry. For the second position, we have Myra Kawal from Nusrat Jahan Academy Girls High School, Chanabakar. She has taken a second position in group-wise category and subject-wise one distinction. For the first position, we have Maliha Zahir from Mariam Siddiqa Girls Higher Secondary School, Chanabakar. She has won group-wise first position and 4 subject distinctions. May I request all of the candidates to please pose for a group photograph. I would request Dr. Naveed and Dr. Sulaiman to please remain on stage. Thank you so much.
At HSSC level, in pre-engineering group, the third position goes to Bilal Ahmed from Nusrat Jahan Academy, Inter College, Chanabakar. Second position goes to Shahzeb Ahmed Shahid from Nusrat Jahan Academy, Inter College, Chanabakar. This principal will receive the award on behalf of her. We also have overall provincial position and subject distinction in Pakistan State. And first position goes to Zartush Ahmed, Nusrat Jahan Academy, Inter College, Chanabakar, and subject distinction also in chemistry. And Principal Saab will also receive his award on behalf of him. At HSCC level in pre-medical group, subject-wise distinction in fine arts. We will and second position goes to Fahad Saeed from Nusrat Jahan Academy, Inter College, Chanabnagar. And first position goes to Kainat Saeed from Nusrat Jahan College, Chanabnagar, position and subject-wise distinction in chemistry and physics. We will pose for a group photograph.
Assalamu alaikum. I'm Samavia Zahir from Habib Girls College, or I've got third position in commerce group. Like, I'm feeling happy. मतलब खुशी हो रही है बहुत कि I've got this award from Afan, and it's a really big thing for me कि मुझे मिला है. And I'm just so proud कि मतलब I'm very proud of my parents, teachers and everyone जिन्होंने मुझे यहाँ तक पहुँचाया है. And I'm just मतलब एक feeling है खुशी की कि वो आपको पता है कि अब है. तो yeah. I received a scholarship. It's called Bridge Scholarship, and I study in Aga Khan Higher Secondary School. This is a very proud moment for me and my family. And the institute I'm studying in is it provides good education, and it's a very good institution. That's it, I guess. I'm Subhada Fatma. I am from PCHS Girls School. I'm currently studying in Afan Higher Secondary School. I have mixed emotions in disbelief and very excited and hoping for further distinctions. And it's all because of my parents, family and supportive teachers. A very, very thank you to all of them.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mohammed Zain and I am from Habib Public. I achieved second position in commerce at provincial level in Sindh, and I also achieved distinction in principles of accounting in SSC 1 and SSC 2 code. First of all, I would like to thank the Almighty Allah and my parents and the faculty at Habib Public School for my dedication and success. Thank you.